If you want to pixelate an image in GIMP, whether that means hiding sensitive details or just creating a fun mosaic effect, this tutorial will show you the fastest way to do it. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open GIMP and load the image you want to edit. You can do that by going to File, then Open, and selecting your image from your computer. Once the image is in GIMP, take a moment to decide whether you want to pixelate the entire image or just one specific part of it. If you only want to pixelate a section, like a face, a license plate, a logo, or any other private detail, use one of the selection tools. The Rectangle Select tool works great for square or box-shaped areas, and the Ellipse Select tool is perfect for rounder sections. Just click and drag to highlight the area you want to cover. If you want the whole image pixelated, you can skip this step completely. Now that your selection is ready, go up to the top menu and click Filters. From there, hover over Blur and then choose Pixelize. This opens the Pixelation settings window where you can control exactly how strong the effect looks. Inside the dialog box, you'll see block width and block height. These settings determine the size of each pixel block. The higher the numbers, the larger and more abstract the blocks will become. If you want a heavy pixelated look, raise both values quite a bit. If you want something more subtle, keep them lower. By default, GIMP links the width and height together using the chain icon, which keeps the blocks perfectly square. That usually gives the cleanest result. But if you want a stretched or custom look, you can click the chain icon to unlink them. Once they're unlinked, you can change width and height separately and create a more stylized effect. After you've adjusted the settings the way you want, click OK to apply the pixelation. GIMP will instantly update the image with the new effect. If you only selected part of the image, you'll see the pixelation applied just to that area. If you skipped the selection, the entire image will now be pixelated. And that's really all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can pixelate images in GIMP for privacy, design, or creative editing. It's a simple tool, but it can make a big difference when you need to hide details fast. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.